Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that is meant to make you better cooks at home. Now, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you actually get the updates whenever I post a new recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make salad dressing, and while you're at it, we're also going to make some salads. When it comes to a salad, it's about whatever ingredients that you have. Today I've chose to use a leafy salad whereby I'm using lettuce, and I'm using a variety of lettuce in terms of color and even the type. I have baby spinach, I have iceberg lettuce, but what makes it a salad also is whatever else that you're adding to the salad, which is peppers. I have mixed peppers, I have tomatoes, I have onions, I also have some boiled eggs, some cucumber and carrots. So let's start with the carrot. What I'm doing here is cutting it into ribbons that I'll add to my salad. One other way of, if you have a big cucumber, is to peel the whole cucumber. And like this one, what I will do is show you another way of designing, making it look nice, whereby you're making it look like a zebra shape, zebra design. You peel alternately like that, but you need to cut them into two. These seeds tend to be bigger, and when you bite into a seed like that one, it's not so nice. Take a teaspoon and then cut out the try and make sure that everything is visible. You can also add fruits. I've added mangoes. You can add mangoes, you can add strawberries. But now let's make the dressing. We need maybe a teaspoon of mustard. To this we'll add about 2 teaspoons of honey. Now the more the honey you add, the more sweet this dressing will be. I'll need some salt and pepper. Again, this is a recipe or a dressing that you can make in advance and use, keep it in the fridge and use later. So all you need to do first is mix, and then we'll add 1 part vinegar, then 3 parts oil. Now what has just happened is that this has become slightly thick, and it's because of the mustard. So the idea is, when it comes to serving, try not to put too much of something, and in case you want with an egg, you can place it on top like that. Assuming you have served this in a small bowl, or you want to serve it, all you need to do is pour the dressing on top of your salad. Not too much. And the dressing, because we added the salt, the pepper and the seasoning, that will act as the seasoning for your salad. So you should not necessarily season your vegetables, your lettuce or whatever salad you have. You'll just leave the seasoning to be in the dressing, so that you have a complete tasty meal. And the fact that you have actually now added the dressing just before service, what you'll have is crunchiness in the vegetables and the flavor from the dressing. So I hope you've learned something. Like I said, this is something you can make a lot of, put in the fridge. It can stay for months. But the trick here is use an oil like sunflower oil, corn oil, an oil that will not solidify when it's in the fridge. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, this has been Cooking with Chef Raphael.